Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, Professor and everyone. My name is Reswa Deris Kamayati from the Accounting Study Program, Class AK20A. Today, I would like to present my assessment topic, the art of ideal presenting. And ideal presenting essentially best physics data with storytelling. Through a pure narrative, we can transform complex accounting number and code figures into an engaging, meaningful journey for your audience. Furthermore, we utilize dynamic contrast by applying intentional color harmony and striking visual. We can direct the audience attention effortlessly toward of key business insight. In conclusion, great presenting is about inspiring imagination, not just displaying data. Thank you for your time and considering welcome any feedback. Thank you so much.